സംഭാഷണതഃ ശാസ്ത്രപര്യന്തം. സംഭാഷണം ടു ശാസ്ത്ര. S2S ഓൺലൈൻ സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് കോഴ്സ്. Sanskritam is our cultural language which represents Vedas, Upanishads and Shastras. Sanskritam is the key of our knowledge. Whoever enters the world of Sanskritam, definitely they can achieve the jewels of new knowledge, especially the knowledge of a peaceful life. Now, Sanskrita Bharati is introducing a special course for Sanskrit lovers. The course is called S2S Online Certificate Course. The motto of Sanskrita Bharati, Sambhashanatah Shastraparyantam, is the aim of this course. This is a 2-year course with 4 levels. The teaching method uses humor and a natural way of learning Sanskritam. After this course, we can understand our simple cultural texts. In this 21st century, we can find much useful knowledge through our Sanskritam scriptures. To this end, S2S will help us with a basic, well-rounded knowledge of Sanskritam. Through this course, you can also earn certificates from Kavikulaguru Kalidasa Sanskrita University, Maharashtra. Come forward to join this Sanskritam Renaissance.